There's a fire burn the fire brigade. So tonight we are losing this fight. So tonight is no.
Alright guys, like literally 1 o'clock. I just got to the hotel. It was a long drive. The battery died, so I couldn't get any footage for you guys. So sorry about that. But I'm here in front of his room because I called one of our friends and he told me that Victor's staying at 103. So hopefully he's still awake. See, Victor has a bad habit. Whenever he falls asleep, he's not gonna wake up no matter what. I've been out here for like 20 minutes and no luck. Alright, let's try this one more time. This is the third time. Dude, you're awake!
Dude, what the fuck?
Why you guys sleep so early? Alright guys, Victor and Drake just got back from training. I've been resting the whole day because I got here late yesterday. And sorry dude, I had to get you up, man. I know it was late, but I had to get you up, dude. That's no way. Sorry. Yeah, by the way, I hit him up at like 1 o'clock in the morning. Dude, I wasn't gonna sleep in my car. For a fact, I wasn't gonna sleep in it.
Next time I'm gonna let your ass sleep in your car and wake my ass up.
I told you already that I was gonna get there at 1. But, so now we're heading to Summit Racing.
Yeah,
Where is it at? Summit Racing? Okay.
In Arlington.
It's gonna be in Arlington. Let's see.
Pick some stuff up for the Miata.
Ah, that'd be nice, huh? Hey, you think he left us?
I don't know.
I didn't take that long to get ready, huh?
Yeah, you did?
No, I didn't. Come on, dude. That was 5 minutes.
My girlfriend.
No. Alright, so me and Victor are supposed to be riding with Drake and Amy to Summit Racing. But Drake had to do something for Amy. So Victor and we just took our own separate car. And we told him that we're going to meet him up over there. And right now we're just sitting in traffic, to be honest.
Use the right lane to take the exit.
We made it, guys. Oh, we are super excited, man. First time here. Have you been here before?
No.
You haven't?
No.
Neither have I. I've never been here before. So, alright guys, here's a quick look of how it is inside. Wow, look, you got bags over here for SUV, trucks, and then lift kits over here, LED bars over here. You need those on your Miata, dude.
I know that's what I was looking on, but I'm about eBay.
There you go. Like, check out this brake setup. Dude, imagine that on your Miata.
Later on, man, later on.
Ooh, check out that truck. Let's go over there. Damn, I like this color a lot. You got guns in there, ready for zombie mode. Check out that airbrush paint job. What we ran into, crazy supercharger. Do you guys really think we're gonna walk out with empty-handed? No, of course we gotta get something. But what's in it though? If the Rangers are playing the Astros, me and Victor would go in there and upset some people. We will. We should. Guys, I'm kind of sad because our plan was to go to Six Flags tomorrow, but I guess the park is closed. Maybe next time, dude. That would have been a great video for you guys. But guys, we are at Heart 8 Barbecue. If you're in Dallas, you should stop by here. This is like a must place to stop by. Best barbecue around Dallas that I know of. So me and Victor's gonna stop by right now to grab our dinner. And their brisket is really good. Alright guys, look at that brisket. Oh my god. One of the best brisket around Dallas. Look at that man working his magic, guys. It's a must-have here. You gotta get the brisket once you get here. The sausages are good. They're a little bit spicy, but they're good. The ribs. Dude, look at these onion rings, dude. Holy crap. Look at this shit. There you go. That's what we're having for tonight, guys. I'm here too. But guys, look at this. I just want to let you guys see this. Look at, oh my god. That's really, really, really tender. Alright guys, good morning to another day. I am now in Dallas. Well, as you guys know, I'm in Dallas for the past couple of days. But I just reached out to Get Dip Service. Victor just came back from the training facility. I'm ready to roll, but Victor! If he's in there taking a shit, hello? Or as he's taking a shit, I'm gonna get ready, guys. But I don't think we're gonna be taking the EVO because Victor doesn't want to drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my car. So, okay, I guess we are taking the EVO for some reason.
You lying?
You were lazy to drive.
Why you lying, dude?
Before we leave though, we have to stop by the training facility to pick up his charger. You better hope he's still there, dude. If not, all right, guys, we finally made it. There goes Brett's car sitting outside in front of his shop.
What color is that?
I don't know, dude. It's like I don't know, but it's sick. I guess this week they're gonna have a G37 satin gray. That's what Brett told me. I want to give a big shout out to Brett for letting us in. Not a lot of people let us do this, but that's pretty cool. That's cool. We just let Brett place. He's really helpful. He's really friendly. He told us a lot of stuff that we didn't know, like me and Victor. I mean, I'm pretty sure you got something off of it, huh?
Yeah, I did. You have anything on, dude?
No. Well, okay. The EVO doesn't want to start, and I guess we have to fucking kind of push it and then pop the clutch, dude. There's no other way.
Dude, we're uphill, dude. There's no space. He's doing that shit. Dude, we're like clowns, dude.
Dude, we gotta get this shit going.
To the dealership. So thanks again, and I hope this was helpful. See you.
Oh my god, dude! No holy shit, dude! We've been out here for 30 minutes. Okay? We got on YouTube and some guy or some videos showed us a trick. Look, if you drop that. Okay, tell us what you did. Okay, hold on. Tell us what you did.
I looked up the video, and then the first thing that popped up, it says common EVO 8 ignition problems. And then I looked at the video, he says that the ignition switch in the back usually spins with the key, so you're not really spinning the ignition on. What you have to do is hold it.
Oh shit. See, we was gonna push the car down to like a hill and then pop the clutch, and that's how you start a manual car. But Victor was like, hell no, not here. We're here at the wrong time. So shout out whoever made that video for that guy. Now we can finally get back on the road. It's time for us to head back to Houston, guys. It's 3 o'clock right now. I didn't want to stay any later because if we leave at 4 or 5, you know, we're gonna be in traffic, rush hour traffic. But here's the last shot of downtown Dallas. Just a quick update, we now made it back into Houston. Right now, we're at the Galleria area, which is one of the busiest street or freeway of Houston around this time. It is now 7 o'clock, and the traffic, look at this traffic. I want to show you guys the traffic. It's crazy. This is the place that Victor is talking about. Sushi Choo Choo. Moving grill bar. This better be good, dude. You sure? Go. Made it inside. Here's that menu. What I found pretty cool is that they have moving belts where sushi is like on there. Wait, so if I want to get something, I just open this and just grab it? Oh, that's cool. And that one is called a scorpion.
Yeah, scorpion.
Can you see? Reveal it to the people. Hey Becky, what is that?
Mochi?
Mochi? Is it like green tea or something?
Yeah.
Alright. Do you like it, dude?
Huh?
Do you like it?
Try one.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try one.
No! It's like the whole thing is not.
Is it cold?
before I wrap everything up, I do want to say thank you for watching our new YouTube channel. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, stop what you're doing, hit the like and subscribe button if you guys enjoy the vlog. Until then, I'll see you guys later.
There's a fire burn the fire brigade. Our souls tonight, we are losing this fight. Oh, our souls tonight.